Let's take a closer look at a topic that's on every NP's mind: how to boost your income as a nurse practitioner. Whether you're just starting your NP career or looking to increase your earnings, this video will give you some practical tips and ideas. So, let's talk about some ways you can make extra money as an NP, using your skills and expertise to create more financial freedom. One of the most simplest ways to make more money is to work more clinical hours or take extra shifts. Many clinics, hospitals, and urgent care centers are in need of NPs for evenings, weekends, or holiday shifts, and they often offer higher pay during these times. This can be a straightforward way to earn extra without having to find a new job or completely change your schedule. However, keep in mind that working longer hours may lead to burnout, so it's important to balance your time effectively. Telemedicine has exploded in popularity, and it's a great way for NPs to earn extra income. This field allows you to see patients from home or remotely, which can be a huge benefit if you're looking for flexible work. Platforms like Teladoc or Amwell are constantly looking for qualified NPs to meet the demand for virtual care. It's also worth mentioning that telemedicine can provide work-life balance, since you can often set your own hours, making it easier to fit around your main job. Another way NPs can boost their income is by becoming a healthcare consultant or an expert witness. Consultants are hired by organizations to give their medical insights on a variety of healthcare-related topics, ranging from clinical care to healthcare policies. In the same way, expert witnesses are needed in legal cases involving medical issues. Both of these roles offer higher than average pay rates and can be done on a part-time basis, giving you more flexibility. It's also a great way to expand your knowledge and build a professional network. Teaching or precepting NP students is another excellent way to make more money while giving back to the NP community. Universities and online programs are always looking for experienced NPs to teach or mentor the next generation. You could teach part-time, give guest lectures, or even work as a clinical preceptor. Speaking of preceptors, here's where NPHub comes in. We help NP students find the preceptors to complete their clinical hours. And we're always looking for talented NPs who are interested in teaching the next wave of professionals. If you're looking for something outside of clinical work, opening a side business or doing content creation might be for you. NPs who are also business-minded can open wellness clinics, aesthetic practices, or even work in health coaching. Another growing trend is vlogging or starting a YouTube channel. If you're passionate about educating others or sharing your experience, content creation can lead to extra cash flow. So there you have it, several ways for nurse practitioners to earn an extra income. Whether it's through clinical shifts, telemedicine, consulting, teaching, or starting your own business, there are plenty of options out there. If you're an NP student looking for a preceptor, don't forget to check out NPHub. We help students connect with preceptors to ensure they can graduate on time. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to reach out or drop a comment below. See you soon!